First, get access to the CAT and particulate filter system. Do this by opening its temperature sensor, pressure sensor or sensor access port. As you can see, before the cleaning it is quite dirty inside. Thoroughly shake the can for approximately 1 minute before use. Now insert the included probe through the opening you exposed. Spray in intervals, each taking 5 seconds. Fill your CAT and particulate filter system until you can see foam rising up to the opening. Then just close everything back up. After application, there is one more thing to do. Initialize the particulate filter regeneration process. This is done by using a diagnostics tool that is suitable for your car model. You can also ask your technician to do this step. After that, go on a 20-minute test drive. As you can see, the result is a clean CAT and particulate filter system. Additionally, for an optimal regeneration, you can add DPF clean to the fuel tank. Do this after the test drive.